In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the waitlist on Vagaro. Whether you're a business owner or a service provider, understanding how to navigate and utilize the waitlist feature on Vagaro can significantly enhance your customer service and scheduling efficiency. So, let's dive in and explore the steps you need to follow to make the most out of this powerful tool. First off, let's head over to Vagaro. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Vagaro URL, or simply search for Vagaro in your search engine. This will take you to the Vagaro homepage, which serves as your gateway to accessing a multitude of features designed to streamline your business operations. Once you're on the Vagaro homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Click on this button to proceed. This is your first step into a more organized and efficient way of managing your appointments and wait lists. After clicking the Login button, you'll be presented with several options for signing in. For our purposes, click on Login with Google. This option provides a quick and secure way to access your Vagaro account by leveraging your Google account credentials, ensuring that logging in is both easy and secure. Next, you'll select your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, you'll simply need to choose the appropriate account from the list provided. This seamless integration between Google and Vagaro not only simplifies the sign-in process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account access. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Vagaro account. Here, locate and click on the Go to My Business option. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your business profile on Vagaro, allowing you to access various business management tools, including the scheduling and waitlist features. Now, for the main focus of our guide, accessing the waitlist. Look for the notification icon, which is positioned towards the top right corner of your screen. The icon is usually represented by a bell or similar symbol and is designed to alert you to any new notifications or updates related to your Vagaro account, including waitlist notifications. Once you've found the notification icon, click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu or a new page, depending on your account settings, which lists all your current notifications. Among these notifications, you'll find updates related to your waitlist, including new additions to the waitlist and any changes made to existing waitlist entries. In the notifications menu, you'll also see an option labeled View. Clicking on View will take you directly to the specific details of the waitlist notification you're interested in. This could be a new client addition to the waitlist, a cancellation, or a reminder to review and manage your waitlist entries. By following these simple steps, you now have access to your waitlist on Vagaro. This feature is invaluable for managing high-demand services, ensuring that no potential client is overlooked and filling any last-minute cancellations efficiently. It empowers you to maximize your booking potential and improve service delivery to your clients. Remember, the waitlist on Vagaro is more than just a list. It's a dynamic tool that can be customized and prioritized based on your specific business needs and policies. You can set it up to automatically notify clients when an opening becomes available, or manually review and contact clients based on your immediate scheduling needs. In conclusion, accessing and utilizing the waitlist feature on Vagaro can dramatically improve how you manage appointments and customer interactions. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're well on your way to leveraging the power of Vagaro to enhance your business operations. So take the time to explore this feature, personalize it to fit your business, and watch as it transforms your scheduling process into a more efficient and client-friendly system. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips to help you navigate and maximize the features of your Vagaro account.